Solve the following aptitude questions. The question says, if three bells ring at interval 12, 50, and 80 minutes, if they ring together at 8 a.m., when will they ring together again? 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m. So how do you solve it? Let us understand the question. Three bells are ringing at interval 12 and 50 and 80. The three bells start ringing at 8 a.m. We can find the common time that the three bells are start ringing again. So how do you find this? So what is given? So to be the three bells are ringing together, we must find the common number. How do you find that common number? We can say the number is LCM. Solution. First, step one. We can find the LCM of 12, 50, and 80. How do you find the LCM of these three? We can find the prime factorization. Look, 12 can be written as 4 times 3, which is 2 raised to 2 times 3. This is prime factor of 12. 50 can be written as 3 times 5. 80 can be written as 2 times 3 squared. Therefore, how do you find LCM? We can take the highest power. So, the highest power of, look, 2 raised to 2, so 2 raised to 2 is the highest power. Then the product, again, 3 is the highest power is 3, 3 squared. 3 squared is the highest power, times what left? Times 5. So this number is equals to 180. So what does it mean? So the bells will ring together every 180 minutes. So the bells will ring together for every 180 minutes, or every 3 hours. For every 3 hours, because this 180 is common. For every 3 hours, the three bells are ringing together. So what says? But the question says what? The first ring is start at 8 a.m. Therefore, the starting time is 8 a.m. So add to the starting time. To get the next time. Therefore, the starting time is 8 a.m. plus 3 hours, which is equal to 11:00 a.m. So the three bells are ringing together at 11 hours. So the answer is C, at 11 a.m. Go to question number 2. Again, it is aptitude type. The greater 4-digit number is divisible by 80, 24, and 30 is. So how do you find the greater 4-digit number that is divisible by 80, 24, and 30? First, we can find the common number. Solution. First, find the common number. Step 1. So we can find LCM of 80, 24, and 30. So the prime factorization of 80 is equal to 9 times 2. So 9 means 3 squared times 2. Again, 24, 8 times 3, so So 3 times 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Again 30. 30 can be written as 6 times 5. It is 3 times 2 times what? 5. So how do you find the LCM? The LCM means the highest power. So to find LCM, it is, we can take the highest power. So for 3, 3 square times for 2, 2 raised to 3 times 5. So the number is 9 times 8 times, so it is 360. So the LCM of this number is 360. So the required number must be a multiple of 360. The required number. Is, it must be multiple of 360 degree. So what the question says? It is a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number. Find the largest. So next we can find the largest multiple of 360 degree less than 10,000. So step 2. Therefore, we have got LCM is 360. So step 2. The required number must be a multiple of 360 degree and less than 10, a number that is less than 10,000 number. So we can find the largest multiple of 360 degree less than 10,000. How do you find that number? So that number is, look, how do you find it? The number which is less than 10,000, 4-digit number less than 10,000 is 9,999. Divided by what? Divided by 360 degree. So we have got this number. It is 27.775. We have got this number, but the greater integer less than this number is 27. So the greater integer less than this number is 27. Therefore, the number is 360 times 27. We have got this, the product of this is equals to 9,720. So this is the answer. So the answer is B. How do you get it? If you like it, share to your friends. For more video, thank you.